Masked language model, a training approach where random tokens in the input are replaced with a special mask token, and the model learns to predict the original tokens from context. This is how BERT was pre-trained. Why it matters? Masked language modeling enables bidirectional understanding. The model learns from both left and right context simultaneously, producing richer representations. Think of it this way, like a fill in the blank test where you use surrounding clues to figure out the missing word. The more context you consider, the better your guess. For example, input: the mask sat on the mat. The model learns to predict cat by understanding the surrounding context from both directions.